All right, everybody, problem fixed here. We've got another problem that we need to fix. This is my garage door and it looks nasty. Over the winter and many years I've been in the home, I have not really done much to it to make it look clean. We got some bird poop on there. We got some just hard water, things like that. And I've been a painter, or I was a painter for about 12 years, and I don't want to have to mask this thing up and paint it, get my sprayer out. So I have a simple home remedy that's gonna shine this thing right up. We're gonna show you how to do it. All right, so basically what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start on this edge and come this way as I go cleaning this thing or giving it a nice shine. You can tell I've already started and there's a little bit of a difference from where I started to where it is now. I'm gonna get going, I'm gonna do a little square right here. And then once I'm done with that square, I'm gonna tell you guys the secret of what it is. All right, here we are. I just got done doing this little box right here, and that shined up really good. Looks great. Doesn't really feel too greasy or anything like that, too wet. A little bit of grease there, I can kind of feel, but after it dries, about a day, it'll just look shiny and look really, really good on your garage. We're gonna finish the rest of this thing out, make my garage look really good for the spring and summertime. Now, you probably wanna know what I'm using. Let me tell you. And I know a lot of you are going to start questioning and wondering, you know, this thing's going to light up or whatever, but we'll also at the end of the video show you that it's not. So what it is I've got petroleum jelly, Vaseline brand. So I'm going to do the rest of the garage. You guys can follow me. I'll speed it up for you and we'll finish it out and do it before and after. Here. It's been about an hour now. The garage is now fully finished and it's starting to dry a little bit, so it doesn't have much grease to it after that's been completed, and it looks fantastic. I've also got my lights done on the tops there and they look fantastic, starting to glow, look good. I've got compliments from the neighbors. That's another problem fixed. Like and subscribe.